We got eyes on the objective area right now. I can see building 1. Looks like there's some sort of fighting position to the north. Alpha 1, this is X-Ray 1. We have ISR over objective Silver. Alpha 1, this is X-Ray 1. Trigger is met on objective Silver. You have launch authority to assault building 1 to recover the target device. Stand by for target update.
Roger.
Target update as follows. 300 on objective Silver, 2 adult males external, 1 at the fighting position about 100 meters north, and then we've got 1 guard, it looks like right outside building 1 on the northeast corner. The other adult male is internal with the target device, and it looks like the breach is closed. Over.
Requesting organic strike.
Of 2 adult males external to building 1.
Need beyond line of sight control at LCC. Over.
Roger, stand by for control. All right, they want us to take control. Arming.
Arming.
I have control. Moving to strike.
Moving to strike. Moving to target. Target in sight. Striking. Good hit.
Still stalking. Got the fighting position. Execute, execute, execute. Hey, I'm Phil Davinsky, the CEO of JEDDOC. I played X-Ray 1 in the full mission profile that you just observed.
Hello, my name is Yoav Amitai. I'm the CEO of Elsight.
My name is Rory Kashi. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Elsight. And what we're doing here is not just demonstrating a concept, but instead we're replicating real-life scenarios as they're being actively used in modern battlefields today.
What we demonstrated was utilizing Elsight's non-line of sight capability in order to provide a force multiplying effect to a small assault team on an objective. What that means is we integrated the Halo or OEM system onto our custom FPV strike drones, and we were able to hand off control, the piloting of those drones, to a tactical operations center miles away from the objective area. And so we had ISR, which fixed the target device that went into building 1 while the assault recce team was maneuvering into their observation position. And because that device went into that building, we had to have humans go ahead and assault that building. However, if we used traditional FPVs, then those 2 individuals would have had to go under goggles in order to pilot those strike platforms to eliminate the guards that were outside of the building before they maneuvered up to the objective area. Instead, they were able to power on those FPVs and then hand over piloting to the Tactical Operations Center, thanks to the Halo system provided by Elsight.
When I think about what it actually means in practice for them, it comes down to 3 main things. First, the operators are more lethal. Second, they are better protected. And third, their commanders can get a better decision making, better situational awareness from the field, and have an enormous advantage over their opponents.
The benefit of the Halos on the custom FPVs is it allows networking across multiple platforms, which enables autonomy at scale. So putting those OEMs, those Halos onto drones, then allows, through different software, the ability to network multiple drones and ultimately create swarming capability across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, because they're able to utilize both radio frequency and 5G LTE and satellite-based networking as well, and ultimately is the critical step towards autonomy and swarming with drones.
What you said today isn't a concept. It's fielded, it's proven, and it's scaling. As unmanned operations are getting more complex, more distributed, and more contested, the technology becomes the enabler. Our job is to make sure it never breaks. That's where Elsight started, that's our job, and that's what we do best.